It looks like remote working will be here for some time to come. But what does this mean for data security? Allowing your staff to access company data from home is often the best way to get things done, but it comes with its own set of risks. Letting staff use their own devices can leave you open to hacking attempts, as they may be less secure than company devices. The best solution is to use a virtual private network, a VPN. This allows your staff to create a separate, private network on their home devices. Extra security can be added to your VPN to make it every bit as safe as your office network. For more tips on staying safe while working from home, get in touch with us today.